And just notice your brain. By the way, how many of you, your voice in your head just talks at you all the time? All right, I'm going to give you something real quick. Might help you. This helps me a lot. Right now, ask yourself in your brain. Ready? I wonder what my next thought will be. No, seriously. Ask yourself right now. Ask yourself, I wonder what my next thought will be. Ready, set, go. Try it. What happens? Nothing. How many of you, it just went quiet and it hasn't been quiet for a long time? So what happens is your brain is too busy on autopilot being right. How many of you wake up in the morning and all of a sudden your eyes open and you hear top 5 things to worry about, let's go. And other people don't have that. They just wake up going, I did it again, I woke up, that's amazing. But how many of you are not grateful? How many of you every day I'm back. That's awesome. I look at her, I look at my love, I go, she's back. I look at our dogs, we're all here. That's awesome. I'm gonna go number 3. Number, what, does anybody ever just go number 2? Okay, just checking. Just let that sit for a little. No, don't let that sit for a little. I mean, okay. I'm sorry, let's get back to staff development. There's way too much laughing going on in here. Would you rather me be educating you or entertaining you? Just checking in? Okay, cool. Just remembering that. I'm going to ask you that a lot, so hopefully when you see your kids next time and you start going into curriculum,